how to add Planet Fitness to Apple Wallet. What you want to do is go into the App Store and search for an application called Pass to You. You want to get this app in order to add your Planet Fitness membership card. So just install this app and open it up. Once it has been opened, it's going to look a little something like this. And you want to click on the plus sign in the bottom right corner, then apply a pass template. Now from this list here, we want to use the search bar, search for Planet Fitness, and we want to find a template that looks like your membership card. So here, go through the different templates. It's going to be different for the different states, but for example, let's say that we want to add this one, Planet Fitness. This is in Canada, so just give it some time, click on the template itself, and here you can customize it to your needs. So click on next in the top right, and here you can fill out the different information. If you click on the pencil icon, you can change the name, membership, account number, and also you can add a QR code at the bottom. So fill out this information, click on done in the top right, then click on add. And now if I go into my Apple Wallet, as you can see, I have my Planet Fitness card added. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.